TV channel mga paps. Yes, Oxta Stress TV. Sir Andrew, say hi. Tumba, courtesy of Sir Andrew. Yan. Mga Pops, welcome back sa ating munting channel. Today is Tuesday, April 9th, and it's a holiday. Today we are celebrating the Day of Valor, or Araw ng Kagitingan kung tawagin sa Tagalog. So, bakit nga ba ang saya nating mga riders kapag merong holiday? Alam na yan, pag may holiday, syempre may rides din. Yun talaga yung hinihintay natin sa kagaya ko na rider na pumapasok sa trabaho araw-araw. Napakasarap ng feeling na kapag nalaman mo na may holiday na paparating. So today mga Pops, together with my fellow motovloggers here in Negros Island, we set up a meet and ride for us to get a chance to know each other personally and to promote the motovlogging community here in Negros Island as well. Parang eyeball lang ito mga Pops. And after that, we will have our ride to DSB for our coffee. We will meet here in 7-Eleven Murcia. I think ito na sila. Yes. Alright. Let's go. So, ito pala si Oxta Stress. Ano nga yung channel mo, Pops? Oxta Stress. Oxta Stress TV Motovlog. At si Chogolitas TV Motovlog. Yan. Nag-record ako. Ha? Tara. So nagpagas pa si Chogolitas TV Motovlog. Actually, there are 5 of us motovloggers who planned this, and yung isa hindi makasama kasi busy for the preparation of his wedding, his upcoming wedding. So that is Mr. DIY Motovlog. He's a motovlogger from San Carlos City, Negros Occidental. Subscribe to his channel mga Pops. I'll give the link in the description below. And the other motovlogger is Alan TV from Bago City. I don't think kung pupunta siya ngayon. Sabi niya kasi pupunta siya. So, subscribe to his channel as well. Link will be in the description box. Alright. Okay, so we are on our way now to Don Salvador. The other one, yung naka-NMAX, ay si Sir Andrew. Siya yung may-ari ng pupuntahan naming coffee shop. His coffee shop's name is Kapihan ni Andrew, which is located in DSB. He's into photography and meron din siyang page sa FB, Kapihan ni Andrew page. What the f? Buti na lang hindi siya naapakan ng tires. Natamaan siya, I think, doon sa sa differential ng pickup. Kaya napuruan. At buti hindi ako natumba. Thank God. Sa mga paps natin dyan na palaging nagra-ride, just ride safe always mga paps. Hindi mo malaman kung kailan magkakross yung aso. So ride safe always mga paps. Always wear your safety gears. Napaka-importante yun. And going back, so like nyo na ang mga paps yung page ni Sir Andrew, yung kapian ni Andrew. Kilalang kilala yan ng mga riders dito sa Negros. By the way, Oxto Stress TV is actually from Luzon. He's just working here in Bacolod, kaya dito siya nakabase. Wow, it's a beautiful day to ride. Thank you Lord for this beautiful weather today. Kagabi kasi medyo umulan kaya medyo kinabahan ako. Good thing maganda yung weather today. Wow, look at those mountains. Naku, ba't parang dumidilim? Huwag lang sana umulan, please. Oh no, I have a bad feeling about this. Lord, huwag lang ulanin, please. Ayaw kong mabasa. Ligpit ko muna yung camera ko mga paps. Hindi kasi waterproof to eh. So, alright mga paps, we are now here in Kapian ni Andrew. Here in DSB. Ayun nga mga paps, umulan nga. Pinaasalan tayo ng weather kanina. So this is Bro Stephen. Yung channel mga paps. Yes, Chugolitas Moto TV. Subscribe, I'll give the link in the description. At si Bro mga paps, Oxto Stress TV. Subscribe. Okay, let's have our coffee inside. Sir Andrew, say hi. Wow. Pag hindi lang basa siguro, no? Nakakatakot eh. So, ito pala yung coffee shop ni Sir Andrew. Yan. So, search nyo lang sa Facebook mga paps. He has good content in his Facebook page.
Tulong ni siya. Isanagan ko lang tayo kaya wala na may lights mo. Isa ko niya.
Yan, ang ganda no? Punta kayo dito sa kanyang shop kung gusto nyo ring ma-picturean, ma-feature sa kanyang Facebook page. Alright, tumba, courtesy of Sir Andrew. Yan. Alright, so kain muna tayo mga paps, courtesy of Sir Andrew. Ay, seryoso? Yes! Libre to. Okay, tara kain na. Bagay ba? And Max, shoutout sa kay misis ko.
May slakyan pa.
Shoutout kay misis ko, sana payagan mo na ako.
Okay, so that will be it for today's episode, guys. Tumila ng ulan at babalik na kami. Uuwi na kami. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ride safe always, and see you in the next one. Paalam!